Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to run through the case suite for Encase. I've worked with them before in the past. This time it's for the Galaxy Note 9. And it's going to crack these open one by one, try some of them on, and I'll show you what they look like. So this is obviously a clear case. This looks good. This looks good if you're going to be showing off the color of your Galaxy Note 9. All ports and everything are obviously you have access to them. Cut out on the back of the camera, microphone. And this is a good look. I think this is a good look for the Galaxy Note 9, especially if you have like the copper or that lilac color. I think that's going to be an even better look. I'm not a fan of clear cases, but depending on the color of the phone, that's when I'll decide or not if I want to rock with it or not. So it is in the tempered glass, but I'm not going to install that. I have white stone dome. No offense, Encase, but yeah. So here is another. Now this is the one that I actually really like, man. This is kind of like that hard, rugged style. I remember I made a video saying OtterBox killer, and everybody freaked out, man. Like, oh my gosh. The Rebel series is obviously meant for serious drop protection. You got access to everything down here on the bottom like you know you would with this, and you got the sloping design for the fingerprint reader, camera cutouts, and everything is all the same. Yeah, looking good. And again, I'm just kind of running through these, man, because I'm going to be giving I'm going to be doing a massive note giveaway for all these cases on Twitter. This is one that I've reviewed in the past with them for other phones as well. This one looks, it's got a lot of grip on it. This is a grippy case. It's a two-piece. Let's see if I can get it in here. It's a two-piece design. Here we go. Bottom first. So this is how it looks. Now I don't know how I feel about. Okay, it's a sloping design. Okay, I was going to say, man, that is deeply recessed right there. But it works. So you can still. I don't know how that'll. It needs to be a little bit more open on there. I don't know if I'm a fan of that one, but you do have this metal kickstand on here. And again, all ports and everything, microphone cutouts, everything is open for you. I don't think I'm too much of a fan of that one right there for the Galaxy Note 9. Because of that fingerprint reader, it might be an issue. I know you can use like facial recognition or iris scanner. However, some people don't want to use those, and they use, you know, the different options. So this is just another Rebel. It's just in a different color. And this is one that I really like. And these two are the same, just different colors, so I'll just put this one on. This is a tough case. Yep, I knew it was the one, so it slides in and out like that. So before, when I did this one on another video, the case kept coming loose. It was a little too big, and everybody freaked out, like, oh, it's not even gonna stay on. But this is a nice design here. So you got open cutouts for the volume rocker and power on this one. And then again, all ports and everything are cut out down there below. Nice open design for the Galaxy Note 9. So that's a case suite for the Galaxy Note 9 from Encase. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.